Hi everyone, it's my video today. We're gonna do the
Wait up.
I don't know what's the name. Starbucks. Yes.
Okay, so day off ko ngayon. So, pupunta kami ng Starbucks. Tapos, pupunta kami sa Pho Place. Kasi, paborito yun ni Kuya, yung Pho. Right, Kuya?
Yeah.
Okay, so, sasali kami dun sa A Day in Our Life. Or A Day in...
That's the...
What is that one? Okay, you gotta put that one away, baby. So, ito yung kadalasang ginagawa namin kapag ka-day off ko. So, pumupunta sa nagpapagas, tapos pumupunta sa Starbucks, tapos pumupunta sa Pho Place, at saka sa paboritong restaurant ni Dada na Mediterranean. So, we'll give you an update on what we're gonna be doing the whole day. Okay, are you guys ready? Are you excited to eat the pho? Chicken wings. We're not getting chicken wings, silly. Okay.
Okay, so Mama's getting gas. But before, she used to be very poor in the Philippines.
Very poor.
Yeah,
That's so funny.
she was very poor.
No, in the Philippines it's different because some people they would give us gas, but here you have to do it on your own.
Yeah. So they usually had a gas boy or a gas girl. Gas boy or gas girl. Yeah, before they would give us gas, give Mom when she was little a gas in the Philippines. So, that's why we always help people because we can relearn. Mom learned a lot of stuff when she was poor. Is to be grateful for having food and stuff that many people can't afford. So that's why we are all thankful. You should be too, because the more you'll be thankful, the more the more things that will make you happier. Mom's getting gas right now. And let's talk about Cassey. We already have the kinds of it, and I like K-pop, but you think give me K-pop. And then so people do it out of K-pop. So Mom is still there. She's taking some. I'm just looking at her.
One thing I like about it because malapit lang yung Yafa hummus at saka yung Saigon Vietnam restaurant. So it's a Vietnamese restaurant at saka Mediterranean. That's it. And we love this place.
GameStop.
GameStop? No, we're not gonna go to GameStop. Oh, where are we gonna go next, you know? We're going to get Starbucks, the vanilla bean, but we're just gonna go drive through. That way we don't have to get out from the car. Okay?
Yeah, okay. Let's
Okay.
go.
That's it, and we're gonna go home. So we just picked up our order.
Messi, that's the wrong one. You choose the wrong seatbelt, Messi.
Oh, probably, huh? So we just got our order, and we're getting ready to go home.
See that?
So, karating lang namin sa bahay. So, ito yung nabili namin. Tapos, in-mix natin yung pho. Ito yung in-order ko. Yung kay Dada, kinuha na niya. Ito yung paborito ko sa Yafa hummus.
Muscle.
So, it's called gyro? Gyro? I don't know how to pronounce that one, to be honest with you. Mediterranean food siya. Tapos, ito yung paborito ni Cassey at saka ni Kuya. So, gagawa tayo ng pho. Normally, kapag ka nasa restaurant ka, nami-mix na to right away. So, kakainin mo lang. Pero kasi take out, so ako yung mag-mix. Paborito ko ito. Vietnamese food. I'm sure you guys know this. Some of you guys. Ang sarap-sarap kasi time na day off ko, ito yung ginagawa namin. Kasi paborito ni Kuya. Ha, baby. This is Kuya's favorite and this is also Cassey's favorite. No, it's not. You don't like soup? Are you serious? So, ito yung soup. Oopsie. So, ito yung soup. Ang in-order ko, hindi ako nag-order ng ng steak. In-order ko brisket. Okay, so ito yung
Chopsticks.
imimix natin. So, here. So, imimix lang siya. Ito yung beef, tapos ito yung mga sahog. See, wait, can I borrow your fork, please? So, para lang siyang, parang sutanghon. Pero masarap talaga siya. Sobrang sarap. Right, babes? Tapos,
Okay, chopsticks.
we're kind of messy in here right now, baby. So, ito. Tapos, idadagdag natin yung ibatang. So, merong jalapeno, tapos may basil, and then bean sprout. Gustong-gusto ko talaga ng bean sprout. Tapos, may anong tawag dito? Lemon? Ano ba yun? I forgot the term. Lemon and the other one is I don't know. I forgot. My brain is not working
There's
right
too
now.
many sticks.
What's the name of this one? Kuya, what was the name of this one, yeah? The green, the lemon? No. The lemon, the green one. What's the name of this? No, I'm talking about this. Lime. Lime pala. So, tapos nang ma-mix ito, tapos kakainin na. Okay, hold on, baby. Hold on, baby. Ako na, baby. Ako sa, baby. Ako sa.
That's how messy get.
Okay, so we're going to divide this equally. No, actually, I ordered
Mama,
two.
that's mine.
Which one? Yeah, I know this is yours. Do you want to use chopstick?
Oh, so I'm in the middle?
So, paborito ni Kuya yung maraming beef at saka noodles. Hey, Cass, come on. So, may isa pang hindi ko na-open. Ito yung pinaka-paborito ni Cassey. Ang egg roll. Okay. Now, you can start eating. She likes it with a lot of lettuce. You're so cute, babes. Every time you eat that, oh, they only gave us two. Only two, and I'm sure Cassie's just gonna eat it all.
Yeah.
She was just dip it. You're so cute, babes.
I also eat lettuce, but not always. I'm also a carnivore, so that's why I'm also eating meat.
Funny. Are we doing a mukbang today?
Yeah.
It's good, huh, baby? We don't fit in one camera. Maybe you're occupying the space and you're not even showing Kuya. This is not sponsored. Just want to make sure.
Just like it.
Yeah, we just like it. We like fall. We like the.
No. Mostly like everything that we try new.
I agree.
Huh?
Okay, so I think that's it for today, and hope you enjoyed our video. And please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you will be updated kapag may mga bago ka bang videos. So this is Cass.
But also, comment down below what's your favorite food.
Yeah, comment below and then
Because my favorite is definitely